Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Why your brain drifts after a bad night's sleep. Scientists explain. Mednews. A recent study published in Nature Neuroscience suggests that short lapses in attention after poor sleep are due to sudden movements of fluid in the brain, a process usually reserved for deep sleep. The fluid, called cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, helps wash away waste that builds up during the day. During sleep, this cleaning system works without interfering with thinking. When people are short on sleep, the study found, the brain may try to activate this cleaning system during waking hours, and attention suffers as a result. Researchers studied 26 volunteers and found that during attention tests, when sleep-deprived, participants reacted more slowly and sometimes missed signals. Each time attention failed, cerebrospinal fluid flowed out of the brain, heart rate and breathing slowed, and pupils became smaller. Researchers suspect a single control system, the noradrenergic system, which uses the chemical norepinephrine, is involved in this phenomenon and changes activity during sleep. The findings suggest that the brain may be trying to recover from lost sleep by briefly switching into a sleep-like state, leading to lapses in attention. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak